Hi students, now we learn third standard social studies subject, first lesson, the universe. The topic is the Milky Way. Let's see the answer of previous sessions. The first question is that define the term Big Bang. Answer is billions of years ago, there was a big explosion or blast or a bang and a huge fireball was created. So this incident is known as the Big Bang. So you know that billions of years there was a big blast or explosion or a bang and huge fireball is created. So this is known as Big Bang. Second question is that what did create by the Big Bang? The answer is the Big Bang created everything in the universe, such as stars, galaxies, planets, etc. The answer is that the Big Bang created universe like stars, galaxies, and planets. And third is that fill in the blanks. Scientists hold the view that the universe was formed by the such big explosion that is called Big Bang. So check out your answer and learn and write once again if you don't write. Okay, let's start today's session that is called Milky Way. So what is Milky Way galaxy? Milky Way galaxy is the home of our planet Earth and the solar system. So we know that our planet is the Earth and our solar system that together is inside the Milky Way. So this is the Milky Way is the home of our planet and our solar system. Understand? What is the home of our planet Earth and the solar system? The answer is that the Milky Way galaxy, and this is the Milky Way galaxy. In that galaxy, that is our solar system and planet Earth. So it contains approximately how many stars? 200 billion stars. Understand? So there are crores of stars are included in our Milky Way galaxy, and most of which are not visible from the Earth. So we cannot see them from our Earth. So how many billion stars approximately contain the Milky Way galaxy? 200 billion. Remember it. And everything we see in the sky is a part of our Milky Way galaxy. If you come outside of your house, outside of your school, when you see in the sky, above in the sky, so whatever you see in the sky, that is the part of the Milky Way galaxy. Understand? And we live in the Milky Way galaxy because our Earth planet in the Milky Way galaxy. So this is our planet Earth, and it is the natural satellite of the Earth that is called Moon. Understand? Remember. So what is the natural satellite of the Earth? That is called Moon. Earth is the only planet in the solar system on which life is exists. You can see that this is the Earth. So we can see that plants, animals, bird, fishes, insect are found only one planet of our solar system, that is called Earth. So Earth is a planet which has life. The Earth, the Sun, and the rest of solar system is the tiny part of our Milky Way galaxy. You can see that this is a sun which gives us light, and the Earth. So it is the very small. Tiny means very small part of the Milky Way galaxy. So Milky Way galaxy is the huge, means so much big, very big. So Milky Way galaxy is also known as Akash Ganga. So you can understand that Milky Way galaxy is also known as Akash Ganga, and in that Milky Way galaxy, our Earth and Sun, our solar system is included, and the life is available only our planet, that is Earth. So in this way we learn about the Milky Way. So let's learn and write the question on this session. Learning at home. The question 1. Dash is the home of our planet Earth and our solar system. Means we have to write the name of that. Second, name the planet which has life. So we have to write the name in our solar system that presence of life. And third one is that Milky Way galaxy is also called as dash. So you have to write the answer of this question, then learn it and write it. Thank you so much.